Hey everybody, welcome to the Pip Crypto Show where we talk about the intangible coins and the forex market. Bitcoin. It's at 9,000, but we're gonna mark it up soon. Looks like we can spot a double bottom right there. Is that a double bottom? Looks like a double bottom. Double bottom. Double bottom. Double bottom. Double bottom. Double bottom. Double bottoms. Double bottoms. Double bottoms. Yes, so I'm gonna be explaining the double bottom pattern, possible on the chart. Everything seems to just be shooting up. It's a new month, candle closed, new month, everything is shooting up. Still within the first quarter, possible that we're gonna break new record highs this month. It can possibly be so. We don't know, we're just gonna wait, and as time proceeds us, we will see. Let's go check out BTCUSD. Boom. Oh, replay. We're going to replay this because, there's a double bottom potential setup. But before the potential setup gets to almost play out, we're going to go over some details. BTCUSD has been going down. It's been going down for a while. Been respecting these zones. I have the black lines, which are my monthly trend lines. Those were made from a monthly point of view. I have my Fibonacci extensions. No, I took off the extensions and patterns and things of that nature. Those patterns became invalid. And I added key levels. The red lines are key levels. I'm going to delete a lot of these orange lines right now. Gotta clean the chart up a little bit. Looks like I got a lot. Oh no. I don't understand. I don't remember which Fibonacci that was. Oh, that was that downtrend. Alright. Hold on. Before I draw the downtrend, these were all selling opportunity areas. So I just want to clean up the chart before I do this replay. Oh, this big wick right here. This is what's scary about using trend lines. I was going to mention it. Are these wicks. These wick areas make it very dangerous, but also give you a good indication of starting points of things. When there's an exhaustion, this is considered a retest, and keep in mind the retest. A lot of people don't wait for it, but hey, it's taught in so many different variations that it's overlooked most of the time. But those are details or confirmation. You see how this triangle came and made a retest and then it decided which way it was going to go. This retest could have gone two different ways. And that's what people have a tendency to forget because they have a tendency to be trend biased, which you really can't be. This is why they're called trend lines. These are the areas of support. These are the area of resistance, things of that nature. And, buy, sell, buy, sell. This is what this is all about. I need to draw this Fibonacci. Tracement goes from here. I know it's for this. There we go. Because it had to line up with. Alright. So, going into this, we're going to watch the replay. And from the replay, we're going to see what we have going on here. I'm going to hit play. Boom. once the pattern plays out, you want to pull out your fibs. See that engulfing right here? This pattern came in and engulfed. It retested at this zone. I did it on a 4-hour. I just should have, hold on. You know what? I'm going to stop 1 hour. Because this is based off lower time frames. Yes. We had that exhaustion. These were the projections. I was going to replay this. Replay it from here. You can go ahead, take notes. This was also drawn within this time frame. This is why I had left everything here. But watch how everything plays out. Everything respects it into relative to everything that I drew out. The zone once the engulfing was created, and how market came retest that structure and came back because it came and hit this monthly key level. That monthly key level was based off the close of the market over the weekend, and this starts a new month for BTCUSD. A lot of this is new data. So new data that is being made to create these swings. So price is going to go up, it's going to go down. It's highly volatile. These are projections. You really don't want to predict the market, but you want to react to the market, because that's how you will, in the long run, be more profitable versus trying to predict. Predicting doesn't mean you're always going to be right, but if you react, you have a better chance of being in the right direction. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and start this replay. Boom. So market moves. Boom. Exhaustion. By this point, the sellers are exhausted because of this big impulse. The only reason why I even saw, alright, boom, right here, I saw the new higher high was closed, and this came in my EMA's cross, told me that this created this area, drew out my fibs. Now I'm looking for opportunities to enter the market. 88.6 is the last level. I look for opportunity. I see that the market had, respected that area, and then around this 61.8, I would have looked for opportunities on smaller time frames to possibly enter the market because of this exhaustion right here and this last kiss example setup to create a potential double bottom. Also, it could be a head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder. I'll show you once this finished playing out, as it just did. And we do have a inverted head and shoulder that's right here. This would be the left shoulder, this would be the head, this would be the right shoulder, and then we have the neckline right here. Once price gets to this neckline, which is ideally would be 10,000. Once price gets to 10,000, we could see a possible rejection or a retracement of some sort. Then at that point, you would want to take the fibs and continue to move it higher. And remember all your zones: 23.6, 38.2, 50%, 61.8, 78.6, 88.6. These are all possible chances. But if price breaks under the 100% retracement, we can continue to look for movements going down towards the downside from the zones. But you have to wait till the candle closes to find possible entries and things of that nature. But you can also use Trendlines to find entries on smaller time frames. See how this candle came, and once it closed, it came, tested, it held this structure and started to move back up. This is why I created that trend line from here to there, this one from here to there, because there was also possible re-entries if price was going to continue back up. And if price didn't do this, go back up, it would have shot down. And if it would have shot down, you could ride it using the trend line, waiting on the open and close of candles, with just trend lines. But I mean, it's gonna take practice. You're not gonna get it right away. Some people do get it right away. You get it right away, kudos to you. But hey, I figured this would help. But this isn't really much. Just so many videos, millions of videos. Like, comment, subscribe. To really make videos on Trendlines. This is my perspective on it. Everyone has a view on how to read the charts, how to, interact with the charts. But I like BTCUSD because I get to practice over the weekend. BTCUSD, I've been practicing for a while now. If you've been following, I got more and more candles, more and more Japanese candlestick analysis. So hopefully I can start explaining like evening stars, morning stars as they play out too, because these patterns, you really won't see them until after they're played out, because in the beginning, when you think they're being played out psychologically, if you're not looking at the candlestick movement and you're in your feelings, you're gonna get it wrong, because the market doesn't care about your feelings. So you have to be very patient. Once you're very patient, execution is easy. Once you understand what you're looking for and once you understand things of that nature, I like to use a medium. So I like to get the body. Once I get the body, then I know more of a general idea of where the market is at. I know if this price closes above the 100 and it's yellow above this trend line, it broke that resistance. This trend line is acting as a resistance. We can go to different time frames and check out what's going on. So let's do that. 30 minutes. Spend some time here. Possibly look at the 15 minutes. Structure still seems to be holding. There's another triangle being created from here to there. Boom, triangle action. If we get this close above here in the next 15 minutes, it's quite possible to find, the market going on the upside for Bitcoin. But this is all in over time. Once I get this demo account, I'm gonna do like live trades. And then I'm gonna do a small account, probably like $10. Do something like $10 and gain like, also, well, I don't know. I gotta find out what's the minimum to trade BTCUSD, use that, and do a challenge, do a YouTube trade off or something like that. To all the traders out there, get this channel like buzzing. See? This is why you wanna wait for open or close of a candle. Find, that perfect entry. 1 minute for sniper shots, 5 minutes for a more overview of, what's clearly going on, how price reacted once it got to the trend line. 30 minutes is a more clear setup. So, if the candle closes somewhere down here, then that sell opportunity is possible. And then you could take it down to 38.2, but that's not that many pips, but it's a lot. It's a lot for compared to other pairs. It's a lot though. So if we get it at 947. Oh wow. 947 all the way to, that's over 200 pips. 200 pips. That's a nice move. That would be actually a fantastic move, because I was thinking it would be somewhere along the line 20 pips, but that's actually 200 pips. So yeah, that would be a nice setup. If you miss this ride up, I'm not saying that's a signal. I'm just saying that would be an example. In the future, we won't know until its price plays out what happens. See you on the next episode of the WuCrypto Show. Like, comment, subscribe. Got more daily price action analysis coming to ya. Yep.